I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Now, search and select Google Sheet. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Now, search for Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Search for Google Sheet API. Click on Enable. Click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type. Web application. Name. Bid integrations. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bid Integrations Dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI. Paste it here. Now, click on Create. Copy client ID. Paste it here. Copy client secret. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose your spreadsheet. Choose your worksheet. Now, map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Google Sheet. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now, let's go to our Google Sheet. As you can see, data successfully sent to Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.